Top manufacturers in the food sector recognize that rapid product innovation is core to their business success and that having accurate supplier information is essential in achieving this goal. Agile SA software has been designed specifically for food manufacturers to make the whole supplier approval process much quicker, easier, and more robust. In the past, supplier information was often spread across a variety of tools and spreadsheets, making managing the approval process both time-consuming and difficult. Agile SA manages all your data in one cloud-based system, so details about suppliers and ingredients are immediately and securely accessible from anywhere. It also automates many of the time-consuming chores for technical teams. Our Chaser technology automatically emails suppliers when documentation needs renewing, or assessments or SAQs are due. Supplier approvals can be tracked at both supplier site and ingredient levels. It tracks the full range of certifications, ensuring you have a tight control over your supply chain. Agile SA helps you to perform better in audits, with evidence always available at your fingertips, so auditors can clearly see your supplier approval process. Weekly reports keep you updated with progress, flagging up any accreditations, ingredient specifications, and other documentation that's coming up for renewal, so you stay ahead of the game. In summary, Agile SA makes it easier for technical teams to support innovation and NPD by speeding up the ingredient and supplier approval process. Our powerful Chaser tool will be revolutionary to your workload, saving your technical team valuable time spent chasing suppliers for out-of-date information and freeing them up to concentrate on the things that matter in order to be competitive. The Chaser will send emails to suppliers reminding them when specifications, certificates, risk assessments, audits, and SAQs or other documents are due for renewal. It also speeds up your complaints process by chasing suppliers for responses to any non-conformances that are raised. Reminders can also be sent to your team when something is flagged as being due for a periodic reassessment. All of this is automatically recorded against the supplier record, so it's easy to keep track of all your outbound communications in one place. It's really simple for your suppliers to respond by uploading new documentation through a link in the email, and automatically generated reports show an overview of all suppliers that have been chased and those that haven't yet provided documents needed. Depending on the risk profile of a supplier or ingredient, you can set how often you review a particular company or chase suppliers, giving you total control and flexibility. The technical contact designated to receive any chases can easily be updated or reset to someone else whenever needed. All of our Agile products, such as Agile SA and Agile NPD Tech, are built on Agile Base, a really powerful and secure platform that's ideal for modern food businesses. Made up of modules accessed through a tiles interface, it's easy to see and manage all your data in one place. Comments can be attached to anything in the software, from a supplier record to an ingredient specification, giving you a good overview of activity from across the whole team. Every change in the software is recorded with a detailed audit trail that records when it was done and by who, and different accounts can have different privileges. Alerts from the Food Standards Agency automatically appear on the dashboard, and our software will match them against any suppliers, alerting you to take action as early as possible if needed. Whether you're a technical manager or in charge of NPD, our products can be scaled up at any time. Our full suite of modules enables you to manage product innovation, as well as compliance and approvals. Agile SA gives you confidence in your supply chain and lets your technical team focus on adding value to your business, confident that you'll have all the evidence you need available in seconds.